First, thank you so much for your participation in professional learning for school year 18-19. It has been great reading your responses, and I feel like I've gotten to know you and your thinking so much better this school year. For school year 19-20, we're looking forward to that. Just some ideas. The personal reflection document that you created today can assist you in planning for the remainder of the school year 18-19 and help prepare you for school year 19-20. Your personal commitment will help you focus your professional learning, and you can be using that for school year 18-19, but also for 19-20. So what we took in consideration for planning professional learning for school year 19-20 are the following. We looked at a literacy program evaluation, which we'll be sharing the data from that at the beginning of the school year. Your input, and this was so important. Thanks to everyone who took the time to fill out the teacher input form. We're using that to help drive the work for next year, and we'll be looking at data from assessments and also how to capture data to utilize to improve student learning. So that's kind of the roadmap where we are for school year 19-20. It has been a pleasure working with you guys this year. Your ISS team is here for you. If you need anything, please reach out. And please take a moment to complete the survey. We really appreciate and we use your input. Have a great rest of the school year and look forward to working with you in school year 19-20.